As a fuel, natural gas is naturally used in gaseous compressed form under the name CNG, compressed natural gas. The natural gas is condensed at the filling station with compressors and stored in pressurized containers. During the tanking process, CNG is filled into the vehicle tank at a pressure of 200 bar and thus reduced to 1/200th of its volume. This pressure corresponds, for example, to the proven applications in the breathing equipment used by the fire brigade and bottles of compressed air for divers. For CNG applications, LMF supplies both individual compressors and turnkey CNG filling stations based on state-of-the-art technology and fulfilling the highest safety requirements. All components used and manufactured by LMF are subject to the highest quality standards and are examined and tested according to the highest quality requirements. Based on our many years of experience, we offer customers in-depth engineering know-how, project management, and on-time final manufacturing. To date, more than 500 LMF compressor station units have been delivered for CNG refueling. LMF's CNG compressor station range covers all typical performance requirements in the market. From the smallest air-cooled compressor with 45 kilowatts and a capacity of 320 standard cubic meters per hour to the large, fast-running boxer with 600 kilowatts and 8,000 standard cubic meters per hour, LMF supplies models tailored to every need and location. This applies to the smallest individual station right up to complete stations for entire bus fleets. In addition, LMF supplies everything needed for a complete filling station, such as dryers, storage, dispensers, and other accessories. And all of this in the model required for the particular location or application. LMF develops also your auxiliary systems, for example housings like container or weatherproof acoustic enclosures, fully equipped with gas and fire detecting instruments, HVAC, lighting and furthermore. The individual compressor systems are fully based on the requirements of the client in combination with LMF's long-term experience in tailor-made systems. Clients prefer these individual compressor systems wherever special requirements are needed, for example high capacity, wide range of suction and discharge pressure, variable capacity control, lightweight built packages for onshore and offshore applications, and economic solutions resulting in low service and life cycle costs. The product portfolio covers boxer-type compressors up to 4 cylinders with a power range up to 600 kilowatt, while handling any suction pressure you may require up to a final pressure of 350 bar G. The units may be electric or gas-driven and equipped with speed control and bypass function to realize maximum flexibility and economical behavior in capacity control. The gas quality demands for compressed biomethane as vehicle fuel are strict. With respect to these demands, the raw biogas from a digester or a landfill has to be upgraded. This means that carbon dioxide, hydrogen, sulfide, ammonia particles, water and sometimes other trace components have to be removed so that the product gas for vehicle use has a methane content above 95 volume%. LMF gained its expertise during long-term natural gas experience and can provide solutions for modern CBG biomethane processes such as grid feeding, car refueling, as well as industrial applications. Linked up, we are also able to offer tailor-made solutions for raw biogas, usually a wet and sour gas, and integrate our system in your cleaning and upgrading process. For these applications, we can provide various minimum lubricated compression systems in a capacity range up to 8,000 standard cubic meters per hour, with a suction pressure range from 1 to 50 bar and in a power range from 40 to 600 kilowatt. LMF designs, manufactures and assembles the CBG biomethane versions according to international standards and specific customer requirements.